Okay.
Action. Fitness. I'm still doing it. At least because guys, it's my show. You hear me?
Na. Hello, little turtle.
I am a
She's in my eyes. Lol. Never mind. Just go.
No, not again. Your teeth in my eyes.
You're okay, Daddy. Your face is so red. Do you want me to stop?
What do you look at that?
Like that, Daddy. I'm recording. At this moment, he realized he had a tongue. And at this moment, he realized he could open his mouth. And at this moment, he realized he has a giant shirt.
What?
Come back, Thaddeus. And at this moment, I realized Thaddeus was dead. You think you can fight me?
Yeah.
I am your father.
What?